Hey, check this out. I found a computer program that reads everything you write out loud. Listen. The, ma, e, made, a, o, the, s, n, the, with, is, t, e. What? That can't be right. The computer isn't saying some of these words correctly. Oh, it's because of the sliding vowels. Wait, what are sliding vowels? Today, let's learn how to identify sliding vowels in spoken words. Okay, I did some research on sliding vowels. This says, sliding vowels happen when one vowel sound glides into another vowel sound, like with the sound ow. Ooh, it's like your mouth is going on a little ride. Watch. Ow. Ow. Now you try. You can feel the slide in your mouth when you say certain words slowly. Let's listen for sliding sounds together. Say the word top super slowly. Top. Did you hear that steady, short ah sound in the middle? This vowel doesn't slide. It stays steady. Say top again and notice how your mouth doesn't really move during the vowel sound. Now try the word toy. Say it slowly with me. Toy. Which sound slides in the word toy? The oi sound. Say oi fast. Now slow. Did you feel your mouth move? That's a sliding vowel. If you have a mirror, you can use it to watch your mouth move as you say the word. If not, that's okay too. You can feel the slide just by saying the word slowly and paying attention to how your mouth changes during the vowel sound. Now that we know what sliding vowels sound like, let's reprogram the computer to listen for them too. I'll say a word out loud. Listen closely to the vowel sound. Then decide, does it slide from one sound to another, or does it stay steady? Follow along in your guided notes as we practice together. Ready? Crown. Ow, n. Say the word with me. Crown. Does the vowel slide or stay steady? Try saying it super slowly to hear. Crown. My mouth slides around when I say the ow sound in the middle of the word. This must be a sliding vowel. Now try bed. B-e-d. You know what to do. Say the word slowly with me and pay attention to the way your mouth moves. Ready? Bed. I hear the S sound here. The vowel doesn't slide into another vowel sound. This one must be steady. Let's try one more. Boy. B-oy. What do you think? Does this word have a sliding vowel or does it stay steady? Pause here to decide and come back when you're ready. What do you think? Sliding or steady? This word has a sliding vowel. Reprogramming complete. Let's listen to the computer and see if it reads sliding vowels correctly now. The boy made a loud sound with his toy. We did it! Awesome job! Today you practiced listening for sliding vowels in words. Next time we'll learn more about the sliding vowels in words like mouse and cow. For now, keep learning by completing the activities that go with this lesson. Keep your ears open and your mouth sliding. You're becoming a sliding vowel expert. Until next time, stay clever and keep reading. Hey.